I'm just going to do a short demonstration on how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. First of all, create a page break in front of your introduction so that you have a clean page on which to create your table of contents. I'm just going to go ahead and type in the title table of contents. Next, we're going to edit the styles of the headings. So go to Format and then Style. And we're going to search for heading 1. If you don't see it in the list of styles, please choose All Styles and then scroll until you find heading 1. I'm actually going the wrong way because they're in alphabetical order. Click on heading 1 and select Modify. You want to change the options so that there is no spacing before or after the paragraph. The size is 12 and the font is Times New Roman. Also, we want to make sure that the color is black and that the spacing is double and the orientation, the placement is in the center. Press OK once you've done that. We're going to do the same thing for heading 2 with the same options, except that the heading should be left justified instead of centered. Although not demonstrated here, if you have more than 2 levels of headings, you're going to have to repeat these steps for each of your levels until you've covered the complete spectrum that you have in your paper. Once you've finished with the modifications, press Apply. Our next step is to actually apply the headings to the titles of the sections. So I'm just going to go through and apply heading 1 and heading 2 options to a few of the titles so I can show you the whole process. So now we're actually going to insert the table of contents. Go ahead to your table of contents page and you can change the spacing and the formatting as needed. Once you've done that, go to Insert, Fields, and choose Table of Contents. And press OK. Your table of contents should now appear in the correct format. Now we can edit the table of contents so that it is Times New Roman, for example. So go ahead and select it and change your font type to Times New Roman. You may also want to change the spacing for your title to 2.0 if that wasn't done previously. After pages have changed or you've added new sections, you will want to update your table of contents. So right-click on it and select Update Field. You will see 2 options. I usually like to just say Update Entire Table. If you know that you haven't added any sections, you could choose Update Page Numbering Only, and your table of contents should be all done.